Option 57, you go laugh with hospitality and full of humor.
Mr. Kola manager,
Make you laugh,
tall man, Cassandra,
treat you well,
Amaka, Lucy,
make you laugh.
Bensa, Jama, Tony.
Inside option 57, then go make you laugh. Option 57, and hospitality. Option 57, Lucy. Option 57, carry go. Option 57, he go make you laugh. Option 57, be full of humor. Option 57, Jama won't take on me. Option 57, Thomas, he don't do. Option 57, Mr. Mensa. Option 57, Cassandra. Option 57, Amaka. Option 57, inside option 57, then go make you laugh. Option 57, and hospitality. Option 57, Lucy. Option 57, carry go. Option 57, he go make you laugh. Option 57, be full of humor. Option 57, Jama won't take on me. Option 57, Thomas, they don't do. Option 57.
Hello, Chairman, sir.
Yeah, hello, caller Saraki. How are you?
Yeah, good evening, sir. Should I say good morning? How is the weather out there, sir?
Yeah, the weather is good. The weather is good. We're coping. And how is the business shaping there?
Yes. We are doing good. Everything is picking up.
What's up with the revamping thing?
I can hear you, Chairman. Chairman, I have thought about this completely. And the only way I can guarantee results is by doing what I'm doing. This is the only way I can guarantee results. Sir, honestly, if things were working, the system was working, would I be brought on board? Chairman, sir, it's my style. I put new wine in new wineskin. And it has always worked for me. It has always worked for me. Yes. Chairman, sir, with the way things are going, the only thing I expect is massive revolution in revenues. Things are picking up. Things will pick up. Yes, Chairman. Yes. Just trust me on this one. Just trust me on this one. Yes, Mr. Chairman, sir. Just trust me on this one. This will work out fine. Massive explosion in revenues. Yes, Chairman. Oh, yes. Thank you very much. Please have a safe trip home. Sure. Thank you very much, Chairman.
Option 57, you go laugh with hospitality and full of humor.
Mr. Kola manager,
Make you laugh,
tall man, Cassandra,
treat you well,
Amaka, Lucy,
make you laugh.
Bensa, Jama.
We'll come in via the taps. Thanks for saying it.
Thank you, sir.
I look forward to working with you.
Me too, sir. Me too.
Okay, we too. No, you want to work. What I say?
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. My name is Jama Belu.
Aside from your beauty, why should we apply you as a receptionist?
I'm best fit for the job, sir. What's beauty without brain? And I've got bones.
Oh, ma. Beauty is everything. Yeah, I mean everything. By the time a customer sees this, I mean my package, ma. The customer is going to lolo.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Yes, ma.
And what is love?
Oh, sorry, I need to say lunch.
So you intend to make customers lodge by seducing them?
Sir, you're getting it all wrong, sir. I mean all wrong. Sir, I'm not trying to seduce any customers. What I need to say is, I know how to play very well with customers. Like customers that intend to stay for a week, will spend more than that. You know what I'm saying, sir?
Mr.
Yes, ma'am.
You go back to church.
Oh, I don't like that, ma'am. This was exactly what I had the last time I went for an interview. I was told they would call me. Till now, they haven't.
We will call you. We will call you.
Are you promising me, sir?
We will call you. At least to appreciate you for coming. We will call you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, let's take your phone.
My sergeant.
Yes, ma'am.
How long have you been cooking?
Professionally,
No, generally.
I don't think I can remember. But I was raised up with food. We grew up together.
You know.
So sorry.
So, Jama, what excites you about
Actually, so some people say they get inspiration from different things, silly things actually, like walking under the sun or shitting in the bush. But for me, I get mine from washing. And you know, it's a blessing to be paid to do what you love to do. Exactly.
one delicacy of an African tourist based on your 5 years experience in hospitality?
Oh, Kapanta Zaza, Zimbabwean delicacy. Madam, you won't understand what I'm talking about until when you taste it. But I was expecting to interview in the kitchen, not here, because Mensa finger talks better.
That's not bad at all. That will be arranged for. By the way, how long have you been in Nigeria? Your name is Ghanaian and your accent.
I've been in this country for 7 years. 7 interesting years, sir.
That should be all for now.
Thank you, sir.
And prepare to cook that delicacy of yours.
So I'm always prepared.
Okay.
All you need is just provide the ingredients, Mensa fingers, and ready to work. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you, sir. Should I wait at the door or what? Because my case is different.
Just there.
Just there.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Mensa.
Me is Amaka Okafor. Why are you out of pocket?
My hands have been busy nonetheless now.
Answer my question.
My dad died and my mom, she became unstable and I have been helping her with her trade to keep the family going. I'm the first one.
Sorry for your loss.
Thank you, mom.
Amaka, what's the nature of your ministry?
It's not words. Hasn't meant for correcting. I choose my words carefully, sir. The trade is still on. She's back on her feet. She deals on surveillance.
And why didn't you add that to your working experience?
I I felt it wasn't related to the job position I was looking for.
Weren't you taking orders?
Yes, I was, though on a small scale.
What's your experience in hotel business?
I have worked in 2 hotels. I have worked in 4 stars, and in my fair rating, I thrive as a receptionist. And my customer relation skills was noted.
Okay. That is all.
Thank you.
So the place you work last, why do you stop working there?
Madam, I stopped to work where I work because those people are very heartless. Oh yes. I've been the room security for you. Even where I can't work there. Complete good 2 years. 2 good years, they don't give me salary. Even when I tell Mogas, I say my mother been get accident for village. Make a travel. Make you give me part of my money, even though na 1 month. Even when I go even though say make them find me small cash, make a travel. They don't really give me money. Oh yes. I can't say for that case. I resign the work. I have to resign myself. Before they give me resign, and I resign myself. Oh yes. Oh yes. So madam, I can't tell say as I see the post for outside where they talk that they need my security and I don't mature for where I did before, no they collect salary. I can't say good they need mature people. When I come, I don't go like to remember. I swear with my kidney. I swear with my heart. Those people are very wicked. You don't go even could make someone like you know if you allow your brother, even your sister to work there. Oh yes, and they're very heartless. Despite the fact that I take all my kidney, not kidney, I take all my heart, work for these people. 2 years! You come on here, you don't believe it and talk about the manager for that place, they hear us manager, not be you. You're beautiful. Oh yes, so that's why I come home and I want to look for you. Yes, now.
You can leave. You can leave now. We'll get back to you. That should do it for now. So that should be all for now. Thank you, we'll get back to you.
Yes, we'll get back.
We'll get back to you.
Thanks, sir.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
You're welcome.
I don't start work.
You are welcome, we'll get back to you.
You get back. I will get back to you too, sir.
Yes.
Oh, I love it.
Don't worry, man. Men's size and the service, man. Ante service always.
What part of Ghana did you say you come? Please, just for me, I will talk to all those people line open. Come on, just give me over.
Always, sir.
You hear from us.
Yes, sir.
Option 57, you go laugh with hospitality.
Next on option 57.
You just I go pull this cloth where I wear now. Do you know who has it? I just see whiskey. You don't know whiskey. Yeah, we easy.
Venza, Jama, Tony.
Inside option 57, then go make you laugh. Oh. Option 57, end hospitality. Option 57, Lucy. Option 57, carry go. Option 57, we go make you laugh. Oh. Option 57, be full of humor. Option 57, Jama Kemi. Option 57, Thomas, they don't do. Option 57, Mr. Mensa. Option 57, Cassandra. Option 57, Amaka. Option 57,
Mr. Kola Manager,
make you laugh,
Tallman, Cassandra,
treat you well,
Amaka, Lucy,
make you laugh,
Venza, Jama,
make you laugh.
Tony.
Option 57, then go make you laugh. Oh. Option 57, end hospitality. Option 57.